Welcome to the 89th Thessaloniki International Fair, a milestone edition that not only gathers exhibitors, innovation and culture from around the world, but also celebrates 100 years of HDR history. From September 6th to the 14th, the fairgrounds come alive with exhibitions, concerts, interactive tributes, and international meetings, transforming Thessaloniki into a vibrant hub of business and creativity. Join us as we guide you through entrances and opening hours, ticket details, thematic sections, major events, and even the stories behind landmarks like the MOMus Museum and the iconic OTE Tower. Everything you need to explore this centennial celebration. The 89th Thessaloniki International Fair opened its gates this September, from the 6th to the 14th, marking a particularly symbolic edition. This year, the event coincides with the 100th anniversary of HDR, the organization that has been behind the fair since its inception. To celebrate this historic milestone, Pavilion 16 hosts a large-scale audiovisual tribute dedicated to the long journey of the fair, highlighting its beginnings in 1925, its evolution through the decades, and the role it continues to play in modern Greece. As HDR President Tassos Tsikas emphasized, the exhibition body that Nikolaos Germanos founded a century ago has never ceased to leave its imprint on Greece's development. This year, visitors will not only have the opportunity to revisit the institution's rich past and its crucial milestones, but also to reflect on its contribution to the economy and envision its future. Visitors have three main entry points to the Thessaloniki International Fairgrounds. The first one, Gate 1, is located to the north, right on Egnatia Street, directly across from the university campus, making it a convenient option for anyone arriving from the city center. The second entrance, Gate 2, can be found on the southern side, next to the recently restored telecommunications tower, one of the area's most recognizable landmarks. Finally, Gate 3 lies toward the northwest. This one is of particular interest to many guests because it is situated right next to the new metro station, offering a direct and easy connection. For more details about Thessaloniki's metro system, we have created a dedicated video which you can watch via the link in our profile. As for the telecommunications tower itself, we will return to it in greater depth in the final chapter of this presentation. Opening hours, Saturday, September 6th and September 13th, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sunday, September 7th and September 14th, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Weekdays, 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. General admission, €8. Child ticket, ages 4 to 10, accompanied by an adult, €5. Family ticket, valid for 4 people, €25. Large families, 3 or more children, price per person with valid certification or card, €5. For the first time, you can purchase your ticket electronically. This allows you to secure your place at the Thessaloniki International Fair 2025 ahead of time and avoid waiting in long lines at the entrance. When you arrive at the exhibition center, you will need to present your ticket, either in printed form or directly from your device. Just make sure the QR code is clearly visible for scanning. Please note that every ticket is valid for one-time entry only. For more details and a practical map of the pavilions, check the description tab. The 89th Fair stays true to its character, honoring tradition while paving new paths. 11 thematic sections structure the exhibition, offering both continuity and innovation. More than 1,100 exhibitors are expected to participate, filling nearly 33,000 square meters of exhibition space. Alongside the main showcase, hundreds of parallel events will unfold, turning Thessaloniki into a meeting point for business, culture, and creativity. At the heart of the fair lies the tribute, Greece and Entrepreneurship, which puts the spotlight on the strength of Greek business life. 44 chambers of commerce from across the country will take part, together with 351 small and medium-sized enterprises, all presenting their products and services in Pavilions 2 and 3. On the business side, Pavilion 15 will host B2B meetings between Greek entrepreneurs, foreign delegations, and trade visitors. Between September 7th and 10th, around 150 participants from countries countries such as the Czech Republic, Hungary, Bulgaria, North Macedonia, Albania, the Netherlands and Greece will take part in over 400 scheduled appointments. Equally important is the international participation. 19 countries from Europe, Asia and Africa will be represented, confirming once again the fair's outward-looking identity and its role as a gateway for foreign businesses to discover opportunities in Greece. While this year's fair does not have an honored country due to geopolitical circumstances that altered the initial planning, preparations are already underway for 2026. According to Mr. Tsikas, there is a confirmed agreement with a very important country from Asia, with details to be officially announced soon in collaboration with its ambassador. The fair's thematic areas once again cover a wide spectrum of sectors, reflecting both tradition and future challenges. Greece of the regions, flavors from Greece, showcasing agricultural products, local gastronomy, and the richness of regional primary production. OTE Thessaloniki, a new initiative dedicated to the automotive industry, with several car manufacturers presenting models never before shown in Greece. Technology, research, innovation, designed to bridge the research community with the marketplace. This section highlights cutting-edge projects and applications. A special attraction will be the presence of 4 robots, which will be stationed throughout the fair to guide and interact with visitors. Energy, circular economy, highlighting the urgent need for green growth, renewable energy, and environmentally conscious design. Academia, dedicated to the educational sector, bringing together universities, schools, and institutions, public bodies and services for the citizen, focusing on public administration and services of direct interest to everyday life. Furniture, home equipment, gastronomy and nutrition, presenting new ideas for modern living and lifestyle. Juniorland, a lively, family-friendly section where children can enjoy creative activities, from theatrical performances and bubble shows to scientific experiments and workshops. Hobby Festival, returning once more as a colorful celebration of hobbies, crafts, and creative pursuits of all kinds. In 2025, the exhibition will pay tribute to Mikis Theodorakis, marking the 100th anniversary of his birth, with a major concert honoring the great composer's legacy. The iconic arch of the International Fair will once again become a stage for the popular Music Events Live series, where leading artists from the Greek music scene will perform each evening, creating an energetic and festive atmosphere. Young people will also find their place at the fair through the Stage Z Youth Band Battle. This competition offers upcoming bands a chance to perform live before large audiences. The winning group will earn a recording contract, while finalists will also secure prizes and promotional opportunities. The parallel program of the fair will once again be extensive, with ministries, organizations, associations, and businesses hosting presentations, discussions, and networking opportunities. Among the highlights are the activities of the Ministry of National Defense and the Ministry of Education, while Bulgaria will also have a significant presence. The Bulgarian Hellenic Chamber of Commerce and Industry is organizing a full agenda of events, underlining Bulgaria's preparation to adopt the euro in January 2026. Visitors to the 89th Thessaloniki International Fair will be invited to take part in an interactive journey by scanning QR codes placed at 10 main locations within Pavilion 16's anniversary tribute. They can participate in prize draws. Additionally, special QR codes hidden at the glass pavilion on Aristoteles Square and 9 other points across the exhibition area will unlock bonus entries, encouraging exploration and discovery. Located within the bustling premises of the Thessaloniki International Fair, the MOMus Museum of Contemporary Art stands as a vital cultural institution in the city. As a key part of the Metropolitan Organization of Museums of Visual Arts of Thessaloniki, this museum is dedicated to the promotion of modern and contemporary art, with a strong focus on both Greek and international artists. Through its dynamic program of temporary exhibitions, educational activities, and cultural events, the museum serves as a central hub for artistic dialogue and creative expression in the heart of Thessaloniki. Standing proudly within the grounds of the Thessaloniki International Fair, the Telecommunications Tower is a significant landmark of the city's modern architectural landscape. This 76-meter-tall structure was originally completed in 1970 and underwent a comprehensive renovation to modernize its facilities and reaffirm its iconic status. Today, the tower serves a dual purpose, continuing its function as a hub for cellular networks while also being a popular public attraction. Its most notable feature is the revolving restaurant and cafe bar, Skyline, located on the top floor, which offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Thermaic Gulf, as it completes a full rotation approximately every hour. The 89th Thessaloniki International Fair will therefore not only celebrate a century of Thessaloniki International Fair, HDR, but also serve as a living platform for business, innovation, culture, and international dialogue. With its wide range of tributes, interactive experiences, concerts, and business opportunities, the 2025 edition is set to be both a commemorative and a forward-looking event, honoring the past while shaping the future. But our journey doesn't end here. We'd love to hear from you. Which stop was your favorite? Is there a particular moment that stood out to you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're planning your own visit, we hope this guide has inspired you and made your trip easier to plan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Our travel audiobooks are now available. Explore iconic destinations through immersive storytelling and preview a full chapter for free. Tap the bell to listen now.